Grandma, look, this is my favorite hobby.
Oh my, Leo. Is that a television?
No, Grandma, it's a computer game.
A game? For an old woman like me?
Yes, gaming is a great hobby for everyone.
But everything is moving so fast. I am scared.
Don't worry, Grandma, I will teach you.
Okay, but please be patient with me, my boy.
Of course. Now, put your hand on the mouse.
Like this? Oh, the arrow is moving.
Haha, yes, that's right. You are doing great.
Now what do I do, Leo?
Press this button to make the car go fast.
Oh, look at me. I am driving.
Wow, Grandma, you are a natural.
This hobby is actually very fun, Leo.
See, I told you. Now let's have a race.
You and me? But you are a professional.
Don't worry, Grandma, you are so good at this. Ready? Go!
Haha, did you see me?
Wait, how are you so fast?
I found a secret button. It says turbo.
Oh no, you used the turbo? I didn't tell you that. Grandma, wait for me, you are too fast.
Look at that. I finished the race first.
Wow, you won! I can't believe it. You are a gaming star, Grandma.
Thank you, Leo. This is my favorite hobby now.
Grandma, you are full of energy today.
Gaming makes me feel young again, my sweet boy.
I love that. Let's start the next round.
Jack, I have a new hobby. Can you guess what it is?
Oh, let me see. Is it dancing, honey?
No, look at my apron. My new hobby is cooking.
Cooking? Since when, Emily?
Since this morning, and breakfast is almost ready. I am so excited.
Oh, really? That smells interesting, baby.
Haha, interesting? It smells amazing.
Wow, I see a lot of steam in the kitchen today. Is it a soup?
Yes, I made a very special soup for my new hobby today.
Wow, special. What is in it, darling?
It's a secret recipe from the internet.
Oh no, the internet? Last time it was a disaster.
Don't be like that. I made it with all of my love and care.
Okay, I believe you. Can I taste it?
Of course. Here, take a big spoon.
Oh, Emily.
What? Is it good? Tell me.
Why is it so sweet? It tastes like candy.
Sweet? No, it should be salty.
Trust me, honey, this is not salt.
Oh no, let me check the jar in the kitchen.
Please do. My mouth feels very strange now.
Oh my God, this jar says sugar, not salt.
I knew it. You put sugar in the meat soup.
I'm so sorry, Jack. The jars look the same.
Oh, I feel something strange in my throat, too. Wait, why is the soup turning bright red?
Red?
Did you put something else in it?
I added some red powder for a nice color.
Emily, this is extra hot chili.
Oh no, is it very spicy?
Let me see. Oh, my tongue is on fire.
Oh, Jack, drink your water, quick.
Wow, that is too much for me.
I'm so sorry, honey. I just wanted to be creative with my hobby.
It's okay. Cooking is a hard hobby at the beginning.
But now we have no breakfast. I'm so hungry.
Don't worry. Let's go out for breakfast.
Really? Can we have pizza?
Yes, anything you want. You had a long morning.
You are so mean, but you are right.
Let's put on our shoes. My treat today.
Yay, you are the best, Jack.
Come on, Anna. Keep moving. You are doing great.
Wait, Tom, stop for a minute.
Why? We just started 5 minutes ago.
5 minutes? It feels like 5 hours. I'm so tired.
Jogging is a healthy hobby, Anna. I was so happy when you said you want to join me this morning. Don't give up.
But my legs are shaking, and look, over there.
What is it? A bird? A beautiful tree?
No, it's an ice cream truck. Oh my, it looks so good.
Anna, no. We are here to lose weight, remember?
But Tom, it's strawberry ice cream, my favorite.
Baby, ice cream is not part of our jogging hobby.
Just one small cone, please? I need energy.
Look at me. We need to run for 30 minutes.
30 minutes? Are you crazy, Tom? I want to go home.
Listen, if you finish this run, I have a surprise.
A surprise? Is it a chocolate cake?
No, I will cook a delicious dinner for you tonight.
Oh? What kind of dinner?
Healthy grilled chicken and a fresh salad.
That sounds okay, but I want a big steak.
Okay, a steak for my brave runner, but only if we finish.
A steak? With potatoes?
Yes, with potatoes, but you must run to the big tree over there first.
The tree? It's so far away, Tom.
You can do it. Think about the steak.
Okay, steak. I am coming for you.
Great job. After this, jogging will be your favorite hobby.
I don't know about jogging, but eating is definitely my favorite hobby. Mark, look at this place. It is so cute. Can you take some photos for me?
Anything for you, darling. What do you need?
Please take some photos of me with these flowers. Take this camera of mine.
Oh, I am not very good with this big camera.
Don't worry, just point it at me and press the button.
Okay, let me see. Wait, why is everything so dark?
You need to move closer to the window. The light is better there.
Ah, I see. Okay, Sophie, stay there. Now, smile.
Am I looking good, Mark?
Yes. Wait, the camera's not in focus.
Take your time. I can wait for a perfect photo.
Click, click, click. Okay, I'm done.
Yay! Let me see the photos. I want to upload them to my Instagram.
Here you go. I tried my best.
Oh my God, Mark, what is this?
What's wrong? The flowers look very beautiful, right?
The flowers are beautiful, but where is my head?
Oh, I see. You are cut off at the top.
And look at this one. I am just a blurry shadow.
But look at the background. The roses are so sharp.
Mark, are you taking photos of me or the flowers?
I'm sorry, Sophie. To be honest, I am very shy.
Shy? Why are you shy with a camera?
I don't know. I like taking photos of trees and flowers more than people.
People don't bite, Mark.
I know, but I always feel nervous. I'm worried that I will take bad pictures of people.
It's okay. Let's make photography your hobby as well.
Really? Can you teach me how to do it right?
Of course. First, you must focus on my eyes, not the roses.
Focus on the eyes. Okay, I understand.
And don't delete the bad photos yet. We can learn from them.
You are a very kind teacher, Sophie.
Now, let's try again. Look at me, not the floor.
Okay, I'm ready. 1, 2, 3. Smile.
That's it. You're doing it.
Wow, this photo is much better. You look amazing.
See? Photography is a fun hobby when we do it together.
I agree. Now, let's take one more.
Lucy, do you like my new hobby?
Your new hobby is karaoke?
That's right. I want to be a famous singer.
Well, you are definitely very loud, Peter.
I love you, baby. Oh, baby.
Oh no, that's not how you sing it.
Who cares? As long as I am loud enough, I'm the real rock star. Oh, baby.
Oh no.
Come join me, Lucy. Oh, pretty baby.
Peter, honey, wait a second.
Why? I'm just getting to the best part.
I think the microphone has a problem.
A problem? It sounds fine to me.
No, listen, there's a strange noise, like a broken cat.
A broken cat? Are you sure?
Yes, maybe we should turn it off for a minute.
But I love this song. It's my favorite.
I know, Peter, but your voice is too powerful for this room.
Haha, you think so? Am I like a rock star?
Yes, a very, very loud rock star.
Should I sing another song? How about Yesterday?
Oh, please no. I mean, let's take a break.
A break? But I'm not tired at all.
Well, my ears are a little tired, darling.
Oh, I'm sorry. Is it too much music for you? I'm so sorry.
No, don't be sad. I just think, how about we eat some snacks? Your throat must be dry.
You are right. I need some water.
You're right. Let's go get some pizza too.
Great idea. So I will stop singing for a while. Let's go eat.
Deal.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now, we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us, what is your hobby? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.